Hello, I'm Yok Boon. Today I'd like to share with you on how to create a if statement in Excel VBA. Okay, let's say we have this in this sex is F, then gender we want it to be F, it will give you a lady, M, it will give you a man. So to do this, we insert a rectangle. Okay, we choose any shape. So we choose this. Okay, so then we right click this. Okay, then we got this assign macro. Okay, we click assign macro, then new. Okay, okay, okay. So that means to write a form, we see this one. Okay, this one is F1. Then we want the answer to be F2. So all in sheet 1. Okay, so we go here. If worksheet. Okay, then sheet 1 dot range F1 dot value equal to M. Okay, then equal M, then worksheet sheet 1 dot range F2 dot value equal M is M, man. Okay, else, if not else, okay, the colon, then worksheet sheet 1 dot range F2 dot value equal lady. Then we have to end if. Okay, okay, that means this one is M is case sensitive, because when we key in here is case sensitive. Okay, that means either is okay F. Okay, so that means finish, we click lady. Let's say we change to M, we click, because if lady is case sensitive, we have to put M, big M. Okay, then we click man. Okay, that means is other than M, right, you will give lady, or the big M you will give man. That's all. That means the if is like this only, is if, then else, and if. That's all. Okay, if you like my channel, thank you.